Yeah, so the guy that put this poster on my door. Oh my God! Wait, the guy that put this poster on my door. Don't worry, we'll find your cat tomorrow. And if you ever see her, you win $80 because I have it. Anyways, tomorrow morning when it's shiny out and stuff, well, I'll be able to get your cat, okay? If you ever watch this video, just be aware I'm going to do that, okay? But I have no idea what he looks like. And I'll have to use Mima's phone to text you, okay? Bye, Carson. Our cat, because I'm going to find her tomorrow. Is it a boy or a girl? Bye.